Hey everyone, thank you for joining me today. So, real quick, I know this is going to be, I think, the second video for today, but I got my design team kit and I wanted to go through it with you. So, we are going to start off with the paper collection, and this is from Jen Hadfield, and it's the patio party. And I like this one because though it had like summer theme items, there was also a lot of items that you could use year round. So it didn't matter that it was, we had like flamingos and watermelons, but you could also use this vine. It's really pretty and subtle. Wonderful polka dots. You can't go wrong with those. The butterflies that you saw on the first sheets, and then what's on the back of this one? Oh, some more flowers and vines or leaves, I guess I should say. Now, I love the flamingos. You could cut them out. Um, if you like the fussy cut, this might be a great collection for you. The only thing I was interested in possibly fussy cutting was this sheet here because I like the different clusters of the flowers, and yet the polka dots are pretty too. So I really like the fact that we get two of each of the patterns, two sheets. So you can cut up one fussy cut and have one to keep solid. It's up to you. And I like using text backgrounds. Um, I think you can build up from those, and it could be really pretty. And I mean, who doesn't like watermelon? Well, I'm sure somebody doesn't. But I think the watermelon paper is super cute. And I have some ideas with that for some summer photos from this year that I would like to scrap. So I'm going to keep that in mind for that. And then that's the back of the last sheet. I love the flowers on the one side. And once again, the script on the back is not bad at all either. And then you get 2 yards of this jute, like the twine. I like using that. And then you get a couple of metal pieces. I have a butterfly and a large heart. And then you get two really, well, this is the cute stamp set from Lawn Fawn. It says Happy Summer, and then you get the matching die. I love it. With the little ants and the watermelon. There could be a card in the future. Just saying. All right, and then these flowers, which go perfect with that flower paper I was talking about, possibly fussy cutting. I'm going to try and grab it and bring it back over so I can lay them on top of each other so you can see. Yep, here it is. So these actually coincide with that. And I think it would be really wonderful to do like on the layout, the fussy cut some of the paper flowers and then add the sticker flowers for dimension. Cute, cute, cute. And then I'm just showing here the enamel dots in the gold. They go with all the papers. They're really cool. And what I like about the thickers that come with this is they're white glitter and you can color them with your alcohol markers. So there was like a, what is that, semicolon or whatever it is, just two dots. And I was like, well, I mean, how often do you really use those? So I just grabbed one of my purple Spectrum Noirs, regular alcohol markers, and I'm just coloring up these two pieces just so you could see how it turns out. And then I realized when I hold it up, I'm like, oh, I'm missing part of it. So, because you can see some of the white on the side. So I just cover that a little bit more so that way it's even and looks a lot better. And then there you go. So really the thickers you have a wide range of colors depending on how many of the alcohol inks you actually have. So that's the kit. So you get the flower stickers, the enamel dots, the alphabet stickers, a stamp set and dies, the droop cord and the metal dies, and then something like 16 papers, I want to say. I mean, there's a lot of paper in this too. So I will have links down below to the kit on scrapbookingwithme.com, and that'll be down below. And then I also got the tags from Graphic 45. I wind up only the one came in the mail, but I'm just waiting for the other two because I do have some of the tags that came out first, and then they came out with the dies. But I like this one because it has the clock piece, and then you have the hands and the other embellishments to go with it. And you could actually use that die to cut out your own uh thin chipboard pieces to decorate or make tags from. So I really like this. Thank you guys for, joining me. Like I said, I know this was super quick. I just got it in and I wanted to like get it up as soon as possible so you guys can see it in person. And I hope to have some projects starting by this weekend. And because, like I said, I have a lot of thoughts in my mind. So just bear with me. And you'll be seeing more as we go, probably even into August. So thanks again, you guys. Have a great day, and I will see you with our next video.